In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to normalize data in Power BI. We'll walk through two common situations: restructuring a wide table with the unpivot method and cleaning up text so your data behaves properly in visuals and relationships. Start by opening Power BI desktop on your computer and loading one of your reports. When your model is open, we'll begin with structural normalization. Use this when your table has dates or categories spread across the top as separate columns like Jan, Feb, and Mar. That layout looks familiar in spreadsheets, but visuals and time intelligence work best when those values live in rows instead of columns. Open Power Query by going to the Home ribbon and selecting Transform Data. The Power Query editor opens with your table preview in the center and applied steps on the right. In the grid, identify your anchor columns, the fields that define each row, such as product name, category, or region. Click the header of the first one, then hold Ctrl and click any other descriptive columns you want to keep fixed. Be careful not to select the columns that contain the actual measurements, like the month or date columns. Right-click one of the selected headers and choose Unpivot Other Columns. Power Query collapses those wide headers into a tidy columnar format and creates two new fields at the end called Attribute and Value. This is the shape most visuals expect, and it sets you up for accurate aggregations and time-based analysis. Rename Attribute to something meaningful, such as month, and rename Value to something like sales amount so your fields read clearly in the Fields pane and in Tooltips. Next, set the correct data types. Click the icon next to the month header and change it to Date if it contains actual dates. Getting this right enables time intelligence, proper sorting on the axis, and consistent filtering. If the labels are text like Jan or Feb, keep them as text for now. Now let's normalize messy text. Still in Power Query, or by clicking Transform Data again if needed, select the text column you want to clean. Right-click the column header, choose Transform, then trim to remove accidental spaces at the beginning or end that can cause duplicates and broken relationships. Right-click the header again, go to Transform, and pick Capitalize each word, or choose lowercase or uppercase to standardize the style. Consistent casing makes filters cleaner and reduces mismatches. When you're finished, click Close and Apply to load the cleaned, normalized data back into your report. Thanks for watching.